that time of year when the leaves begin to change color and eventually fall off the trees at peak fall foliage. But when they become wet on the ground, they're especially slippery. Driving on a road with wet leaves can be as slippery as ice. But how long does it take for you to stop on a road that can be covered with them? Let's look at an example. Say you're driving 40 miles per hour on a dry road, a wet road, and a road covered in wet leaves. And you need to come to an immediate stop. It'll take about 80 feet to stop on that dry road, double that on a wet road, 160 feet, but more than triple that on a road covered in wet leaves, 250 feet. But what makes leaves so slippery? Well, when they fall off the tree, most plants take in water through their roots, so the leaf that's on the ground is not designed to allow water in. Instead, the water sits on top of the leaf's waxy coating, creating a film that's actually similar to what's found on ice. And looking at the friction coefficient, which is the slip resistance between tires and road surfaces, the lower the number, the less traction there is. The highest on the scale is concrete when it's dry. Of course, wet can make it more slippery. Then asphalt is second on the list. Gravel and dirt is third. Snow is above ice and wet leaves, which have the same friction coefficient. Super slippery, almost zero on the scale. So definitely want to be careful driving on wet leaves this time of year, even before icy roads come as we enter the months of winter.